In this video, we are going to revise Indian Biodiversity. Hello friends, welcome to the Tapasya for IAS YouTube channel. So let's begin. Variety of forms, species, genetic ecosystem diversity is known as biodiversity. India's status, mega diverse country, one of 17. 7 to 8% global species on 2.4% land area. Over 96,000 animal species, 47,000 plant species. Importance: ecosystem service, pollination, nutrient cycling, climate regulation, food security, medicines, cultural value. Biodiversity hotspot in India: Western Ghat, Eastern Himalayas, Indo-Burma region, Sundaland, Nicobar Island. Plant biodiversity: major groups: angiosperm, flowering plants, nearly 18,000. Banyan national tree, lotus nasal flower, gymnosperm, conifers, Himalayan cedar. Pteridophytes, ferns, birds, nets, fern. Bryophytes, mosses, liveworts. Algae, aquatic spirulina. Fungi, decomposers, oyster, mushroom, cordyceps. Hotspots flora, example: Western Ghat, Nila Kurunjini, 12-year bloom. Solar trees: Eastern Himalayas, rhododendron, panda bamboos. Indo-Burma, rich in orchid, 1300 plus supplement bamboo. Sundarbans, mangrove, Sundari tree, and Nepa palm. Threats: habitat loss, deforestation, urbanization, over exploitation, sandalwood. Invasive alien species, IAS, Lantana water hyacinth. Climate change, climate change and pollution. Conservation, protected areas: Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, EXC2 Indian Botanical Garden, NBPCR, Sacred Groves, Biological Diversity Act 2002. Animal biodiversity: invertebrates dominant. Insects: blue marmot butterfly, Indian honeybee. Arachnids: goody, tarantula. Molluscas: Indian appeal snail. Crustacean: mangrove crab. Vertebrate species critically endangered. Pondicherry shark, Ganges. River dolphin, national aquatic animal, Sophies. Endangered Ian, whale shark, Irrawaddy dolphin, Chilika lake. Amphibians, nearly 400 supplement, many endemic to Western Ghats. Critically endangered Anamalai flying frog. Shillong bubble nest frog. Vulnerable VU purple frog. Reptiles, nearly 600. Critically endangered. Jordan's courser, forest owlet, white-bellied heron, Himalayan quail. Pink-headed dog, possibly extinct. All 9 vultures due to dichloromethane. Bengal florican, sociable, lapping spoon-billed sandpiper, great Indian bustard, near threatened, anti-black-necked crane, Ladakh, state bird J&K. Mammals, nearly 400. Critically endangered. Pygmy hog, Manas Wildlife Sanctuary, Malabar civet. Andaman Srivas, Kashmiri stag, Hangul, Nilgiri Tahar. Endangered: red panda, Bengal tiger, national animal, Indian elephant, national heritage animal. VU, Indian rhinoceros, Kaziranga National Park, Barasingha, anti wildest little run of Kutch. Threats to Indian biodiversity. Habitat loss. Habitat loss, fragmentation, deforestation, urbanization, infrastructure, encroachment, overexploitation, unsustainable harvesting, illegal wildlife trade, poaching, invasive alien species IS, invasive alien species IS, lantana camera, water hyacinth, parthenium, climate change, habitat alteration, sea level rise, extreme weather, glacier melt, pollution, air water, diclofenac effect on world, plastic noise, human wildlife conflict, conservation effort, in situ, protected areas 104 National Park, 566 wildlife sanctuaries, 18 biosphere reserve, 50 plus tiger reserve, community and conservation reserve, sacred groves, Yaksitu zoos, botanical garden, seed gene banks, NB, PCR, captive breeding, and cryopreservation. Legal and policy framework India. Wildlife Protection Act 1972 kilos. Biological Diversity Act 2002. Implement CBD, NBA, SBBs, BMCs. Forest Conservation Act 1980. Environmental Protection Act 1986. International Commitment Sites CMS Ramsar CBD. Specific programs Project Tiger 1973, Project Elephant 1992, Vulture Conservation Breeding Program, Great Indian Bustard Recovery Program, Project Godawan. Bogota Declaration in the year 2023 for river dolphin. Here is relevance, we will see relevance. Factual questions on species names, IUCN status, protected areas, Acts International Convention hotspot. Formats, we have to focus on analytical questions on drivers of biodiversity loss, effectiveness of conservation, strategies, policy gaps, human wildlife conflict, role of local communities, and sustainable development. This is the end of the lecture. So, friends, we will meet in the next video. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section, and please do like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so that UPSC focus videos keep reaching you. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.